Hey guys, I'm stopping at some restores for the first time in a while. Doing a brief road trip, actually this time to pick up some fans, and figured I'd stop on the way. New Inbox Hunter, I think that's at Walmart. Generic, I think that's a Craft Made, Hampton Bay. The red light kit, somebody probably would like that. Actually, that would look really cool outside the barber shop, but we already have something for there. So, nothing old. Okay, if I see anything else, I'll do another video. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, restore number 2. You'll probably recognize all the ones I'm going to stop at today, because they're all ones I've stopped at before. A lot of the other Wisconsin and Illinois collectors have stopped at these too. Oh, some cool track heads there. Some deltas. What is this? Panama. It must be a 3-speed. It's got a light wire. Lots of huggers. Black hugger. There's more up there. Uh-oh. Almost jumped out at me there. Well, at least there seems to be getting a good stash of fans in, and including some vintage ones. And they're putting the vintage ones out for sale. So even though I don't think I'm going to get anything today, it's nice to see. These are useful. I don't need them though. How much? $5. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the good news is there's quite a few ceiling fans here. Bad news is I don't see any older ones. Got these small ones, 2 Menards, and then like a Monte Carlo thing. Oh, here's some more. Another Menardsy thing. A lot of blades. We'll look over there in a second. I just want to skim here first. What are these down here? Anything I can use? Well, there's only 3 of them, so probably not. Not a great sign. I could probably use those if there was... Well, maybe I'll still get them. How much are they? $1.50. Yeah, I think I will. Because I can always use those brackets. Here's some Hunter. Old motor. Yeah, I think I'll grab those. Anything else? Fun fact, I found one of my all-time favorite fans in this restore, which is the K63 Shrouded Blender. And I think I found a couple other cool things here. But it's just, you know, like most things are hit and miss. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, back at another restore. Let's see what's in here. Fan in the corner there. 2 of these low profiles. I wonder if these would be... I don't think Rick likes that version. I don't like that version either. Otherwise it'd be possible for the potential GMS install. Okay, same restore. This is the famous cursed bathroom install. I'm in the bathroom. It was off. I did turn it on. light, despite having bulbs, did not turn on. Note also that it still has a price tag. That's medium. Okay, let's see if there's anything else interesting for sale. Okay, so there's the showroom. Cursed bathroom. Anything back here? No. They've been in this location for a while, but it's changed a lot. Some of the areas that are open to the public used to be closed, and vice versa. Fan in there. Lights. Yeah. Definitely seems like the restores are mostly taking new stuff now. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, here's another restore. I might get this, honestly. It's kind of cute. It's got stencil. I have one, but it's not cast. If this is cheap, I'd probably get it, but I don't expect that it is. Here's a Rick.
It's a nice box. We put them up by the cashier because
Let me see if I can find. I don't see prices on those. Are they just all one price? I'm gonna look through that blade pile too. Okay, give me a minute. If there's anything else worth filming, I'll be back. Hey guys, last restore of the night. Nice restore of the night. This is, unfortunately, the one by Reese closed, so I think this is technically the closest one to Reese. Either this one or the first one that I went to, which was, a fluorescent? No, it's just a bulb. Interesting. Over the years, I've found some really good stuff in this restore, but it's been a very long time. Well, this is kind of cool. I had one of these before and sold it. There's a few more open up. Oh, there's more over here. Is that LED? I can't tell. It's heavy. Metal halide, okay. Good to know. Those probably won't sell very quickly, so if we need them, we can come back here and get them. Don't see anything in the back. Okay. I have a couple more stops to make, but no more restores, so thanks for watching. Bye, Fanstick. Hey guys, if you follow my videos, you probably remember this place. Every time I pass through Oshkosh, I stop here, and this will be the first time I will have footage of the atrium in 60 frames per second. So I'm just gonna do a quick shot over here. Nothing has changed. It's still just as vintage and beautiful over here as it is always. I'm sorry. and looks like all but one of the Delta ones are on. I'm gonna order my food, so hopefully you guys appreciate seeing this place. I can't remember if I mentioned in the videos, but the food's pretty good too. So that's one of the reasons I stop here in addition to this. So, okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I don't know if I've ever filmed here before. This is a very famous rest stop called Bloom Keys, where you get gas and ice cream and sometimes a speeding ticket, because this is one of the most famous speed traps. And used to be a much older storefront that had a single, I think a Sanyo, because I think it was like a 3-bladed Dayton Lasco, and they tore it down and built this one, which has the 2 new tones here, which I've never seen off before, but they're off. That old neon clock, that's pretty cool. There's the ice cream, but then I was telling you about the speeding tickets. They know just the ticket, because so many people get speed tickets here that they sell shirts. Knock on wood, I've never gotten one. So, mainly wanted to show the ceiling fan install, but also just in general. Okay. Thanks for watching. Turn off.